Traders, today we have traded Bank Nifty option of 246000 PE. We have traded 2 lot of it, from which I have already booked 1 lot and one more I will be just booking right now, 153. Yeah, that's it. So I have booked 2 lot and we made a profit of around 1000, almost 1100 trade. We took the trade at 2 PM and came out at 2:05 PM and we booked around 1100. येस्टरडे इन द कमेंट सेक्शन मैंने देखा कि बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि जो लॉजिक होता है वो एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बिहाइंड द ट्रेड, ताकि नए लोगों को भी समझ में आए. तो आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन द लॉजिक बिहाइंड द ट्रेड. बेसिक तो आप लोगों को जानना पड़ेगा, वो आप यूट्यूब में बहुत वीडियो अवेलेबल है, देख सकते. तो आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन द लॉजिक बिहाइंड द ट्रेड. तो चलिए लॉजिक देखते हैं ट्रेड के पीछे. आई विल ओपन द चार्ट फ्रेशली एंड ड्रॉ द ट्रेंड लाइन in front of you. So yeah, it's loading Bank Nifty October future. So one of my favorite indicators, that is VWAP, which says the volume weighted average price. I use that to identify the support and resistance. It can't be used solely, but yeah, like it helps a lot while you are getting a few more extra confirmations. So yeah, just let me, time frame is 1 minute. First of all, what we will do is we will mark today's day high and day low. So let's take horizontal line and mark today's day low, that is at almost 24381. Let's just thicken the line, and today's day high was at around 24731. Yeah, so this is the range Bank Nifty is trading today whole day. And also we must remember that the global market sentiments were quite red. Like even if you see the foreign market like US, UK, everything is in red. So there is a very less probability of Bank Nifty, there is very less probability of Bank Nifty breaking the day's high, but it can easily break day's low. But that I feel will happen after 2:30, which would be kind of risky. So I will try to just book a bit of profits from this swing movement. So let's just draw a trend line. Yeah, this is the support Bank Nifty is taking 1 2 3, 3 times. And now just let's draw the resistance. So this is right. So this is the resistance, as you can see. And also if you see this now, between the both lines, Bank Nifty is trading from yesterday to and till now. So this going up, going down, and it's so as I said that the global sentiments are quite red. So Bank Nifty breaking downwards is quite possible, but on the other hand, Bank Nifty breaking upward is, I guess, not possible, at least for today. So what I will try to do is I will try to catch the movement once Bank Nifty touches 24640. Yeah, as you can see right now, I will try to catch this movement. Once Bank Nifty goes there, I will try to short the trade, and as I know that it will try to reverse from there, so I will just quickly book some 10 to 30 points in 2 lots. That's what was my plan. And accordingly, once Bank Nifty went up, I just took the trade, and once it came down, as you can see right now, I just booked my profit. And I will just show you where exactly I booked my profit. It was at around 205. And also morning I tried to took one equity trade, but it did not get triggered. So yeah, let's leave that one for now. Yeah, so this is where I booked my profit and came out of the trade. So it was that simple. Thanks for watching the video, and I will try to come up with more such live trading videos every day if I get the trade. Thank you.